Hey everyone, welcome back to App Mentor. Today I'll be showing you how to join the Rocket Money affiliate program and start earning commissions by promoting one of the most popular budgeting apps out there. Whether you're a blogger, influencer, or a content creator, this program is a great way to monetize your platform. Okay, so in your search bar, type in Rocket Money affiliate program, go to the affiliates link. You can read before signing up, make sure you review the program details. Check out the commission rates, payment terms, and any special requirements for affiliates. Typically, Rocket Money offers competitive commissions for each customer you refer, but it's always good to be familiar with the terms. Scrolling down, you can read how it works, who should sign up, why sign up, target audience, and then apply. So let's click on apply today. Now this will take you to the affiliate sign up form. You need to fill in your details, including your name, email, website, or social media channels, and how you plan to promote Rocket Money. Okay, after signing up, inserting your name, email address, phone number, and confirming. In here, you need to basically choose how would you categorize your business. For example, let's choose social influencer, continue. And here you basically need to add your socials to start promoting the Rocket Money. Share your affiliate link in blog posts, YouTube descriptions, social media posts, or emails. The more people you reach, the higher your potential earnings. Make sure your content is informative and highlights the key benefits of Rocket Money. As your referrals start to convert, you can track your earnings in the affiliate dashboard. Rocket Money provides reports on your clicks, conversions, and commissions. Most programs pay affiliates monthly, so stay consistent with your promotions to maximize earnings. And that's how you can join and start earning with the Rocket Money affiliate program. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials and affiliate marketing tips. Thanks for watching.